a problem from limit of a function, and the problem is the limit of 3sinz minus sin 3z by z minus sin z as z tends to 0, where z being a complex number, is given by 4 options are given. We have to find the correct option. Okay, here the limit, if we write limit z tends to 0, this is 3 sin z minus sin 3z by z minus sin z, right? We first here use the formula of sin 3z, which is given by 3 sin z minus 4 sin qz. Okay, so we get from the upper portion 4 sin qz, because 3 sin z and 3 sin z cancel out, by z minus sin z. Okay, now if we put z equal to 0 in numerator and denominator, then it is clearly 0 by 0 form. Okay, so use L-Hospital rule. L-Hospital rule. We get the limit as limit z tends to 0. This is 12 sin square z into cos z by this is 1 minus cos z. Okay, so we get limit z tends to 0, 12 sin square z into cos z by 2 into sin square z by 2. This is the formula of 2 sin square theta by 2. And now we get limit z tends to 0, 12 into sin square z by z square into cos z, and we multiply here z square, and for the lower portion 2 into sin square z by 2 by z square by 4 we multiply here, and this is 1 by 4 into z square, z square by 4, and z square cancel out. Now putting the value of the limit z tends to 0, sin z by z, this is equal to 1. So we get this is 12 by 2 into this is 1 square into 1, because cos 0 this is 1, by this is given by 1 square into 1 by 4. So this is 6, so 6 into 4, this is 24, and 24 is the correct answer. So option number B is correct. Okay, so the limit is same as the limit in real number, whether it is given that z being complex number. Okay, the answer is same as the real limit. Right? Thank you for watching.